A very happy and fresh morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Just keep this smile always on your face. So, are you all ready to enter in the era of technology? Let's begin with it. Kids, we know that it's our computer class, and in the last class, we came to know something about the operating system. What was that? That operating system is a system software that manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run properly. Right? Today we will be exploring this operating system. We'll be coming to know more about this operating system. See, computer is a machine and we are human. क्या हमें किसी मशीन की लैंग्वेज समझ में आती है? No. क्या किसी मशीन को हमारी लैंग्वेज समझ में आती है? No. But still we are able to communicate or work on the computer. That means computer and human are having a link between each other. यानी कंप्यूटर और यूजर के बीच में एक ना एक कोई लिंक जरूर है. What is that link? See, as we can see, this is the computer system and this is the user. There is a link between them. But what is that link being called as? This link is operating system. So, operating system is the link between computer and the user. So, we can say that operating system is a link or interface between the user and the computer system. And it is a system software that manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run properly. Right? Now, types of user interface means how we are communicating to the computer. Interface means the way to communicate. So there are two ways to communicate to the computer. The first one is command line interface and the second one is graphical user interface. Let's understand these interfaces one by one. The first one is command line interface. See, we can see over here that we are typing the commands. So in the command line interface, we need to type the commands for whatever work we want to do on computers. अगर मुझे सिंपल सा एक स्टार्ट बटन भी प्रेस करना है, उसके लिए भी मुझे कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे देनी होगी? With the help of the command. The best example of command line interface is MS-DOS, that is Microsoft Disk Operating System. Fine. So the next is graphical user interface. In the graphical user interface, we used to communicate with the computer with the help of the icons, menus, etc. And the communication is just a click away. That means if you want to click on start button, then the start button will be working. If you want to open the Bluetooth, you can click on Bluetooth icon. If you want to open webcam, you can click on the webcam icon. Fine. Tell me which is more easy. कोई भी इंस्ट्रक्शन देने के लिए कमांड्स लिखना या फिर क्लिक करना. I suppose it's click. It's easy to work with the click. This is the reason that today most of the users are using the operating system based on this graphical user interface. The examples of graphical user interface are MS Windows and Android and so on. So students, in the next class we will be continuing with the operating system that is based on graphical user interface, that is Windows operating system. That's all for today. Keep safe, keep studying, keep smiling, and signing off for today. Bye-bye.